How to get the training you need in health IT, Tampa's job market's growing, and there's a shortage of mobile apps developers in Colorado. I'm Mark Pfeffer, and this is the DiceTV update for Tuesday, March 1st, 2011. So healthcare IT is obviously a big thing right now, but leaders in the field say they're having difficulty filling key positions. In one survey, 58% of them said they have difficulty recruiting or retaining IT workers. Another 33% are facing IT staffing troubles. One of the big reasons for this is there's a shortage of people who have the required expertise in health IT. So here's a hole. How do you take advantage of it? Well, there's training. It's funded by the federal government through a program that's called the Community College Consortia to educate health information technology professionals in healthcare. It's meant to train more than 10,000 people for health IT jobs. More than 70 community colleges in all 50 states are in the program, which was developed for both health and technology professionals. To find out more, go to healthit.hhs.gov. Software developers are in short supply in Colorado. The Denver Post says mobile apps developers in particular are few and far between, but the problem seems to be with developers in general. The situation is prompting some tech companies to move to, or at least set up satellite offices in Silicon Valley. Now, Colorado's unemployment rate is 8.8%, and that begs the question of if the rate's that high, why are so many of these jobs going unfilled? There's a number of factors. They range from quickly changing technologies to the difficulty of assessing somebody's skills and whether or not they're a good fit for the job. Now, of course, not everybody's convinced that the answer to their recruiting problems lays out in the valley. As one put it, recruiting's brutal out there, and talented tech folks have a lot more job opportunities than they know what to do with. About 20% of Florida's tech jobs are in Tampa. That makes it the most active market in the state. And according to the Tampa Bay Technology Forum, they're well-paying jobs. They range from $60,000 to $100,000 a year in salary. The skills most in demand, they include development, security, Windows, and implementation. Why? It's all about the economy. More businesses are starting to expand their operations, and so they're expanding their implementation efforts. Among the companies that are hiring, the Judge Group, Software Guidance and Assistance, and Deloitte. That's it for this week. Tomorrow, Kat Miller's back with another edition of DiceTV. And as for me, I'll be back next week. Until then, this is Mark Pfeffer, Managing Editor of Dice News, and we now return you to your regular desktop.